In today's video, I am going to teach you how to resize an object or a frame proportionally in Figma. First, open your design so you can see the canvas and layers you want to work with. We'll start with the quickest method for simple elements like shapes and images. Select the object you want to resize. Then drag from a corner handle while holding the Shift key. Holding Shift locks the aspect ratio so the width and height scale together and nothing gets stretched or squashed. Make sure you are grabbing a corner, not a side handle. Because side handles change only one dimension and will distort the object. This method is great when you just need a fast visual adjustment and want the object to stay perfectly proportional as you make it larger or smaller. When you are working with more complex elements, such as frames, groups, or components that contain multiple layers, switch to the Scale tool. Press the K key or choose Scale from the toolbar dropdown to activate it. With the Scale tool on, click and drag from a corner. You'll notice everything inside the selection scales together as a unit. This includes stroke weights, corner radii, and effects. So buttons, icons, and text outlines maintain their visual balance as the frame grows or shrinks. Because the Scale tool treats the selection holistically, it helps preserve your layout relationships and keeps designs from feeling mismatched after resizing. If you need exact control, keep the Scale tool active and look to the panel on the right. Here, you can enter a specific percentage or multiplier to resize with precision. For example, typing 150% scales the selection to 1.5 times its original size, while entering 50% halves it. You can also use multipliers like 2x or 0.75x for quick proportional changes without guessing. This is especially helpful when you are matching a design spec, aligning elements to a responsive breakpoint, or preparing multiple size variants of the same component. A few practical reminders as you work: use the Shift key method for quick visual scaling of individual shapes and images, and use the Scale tool when you want an entire frame or group to scale consistently, including strokes and rounded corners. After resizing, give your layout a quick look to confirm spacing and alignment still feel intentional. That's it. Thanks for watching.